Okay, we have a question from Chad. Google Chat is really unintuitive. I just want a video call with my buddy using my phone, and I can't see any way to start a video call like you could in Hangouts. Great question, Chad. This is something that bugs me as well. Now, it's been a long time since Google started Google Hangouts, had multiple iterations of Google Hangouts, and eventually decided, nope, screw it. We're going to stop working on Hangouts and we're just going to rebuild Google Meet as a brand new app. Now, in that no man's land, which was about 3 years where they had both apps running simultaneously, bit by bit, Google slowly started bringing features from Google Hangouts over to Google Meet. And I think they've brought every single feature from the old classic Hangouts over to Meet, except the ability to dial. And that was one of the best features. You could ring someone like a phone using Hangouts. And what was really great about that was it gave you the ability to buzz someone and interrupt them. Anyway, I digress. This is a feature that Google have said they are actually going to bring back. Now, I don't know how that's going to happen. I don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but I have faith that the ability to dial someone and have them be buzzed into a meeting will be coming back to Google Meet. I don't know what it's going to look like, but I do think it has something to do with Google bringing Google Meet and Google Duo, which is their consumer video calling service, together, which they've announced in the last couple of months. And so Google Meet and Google Duo are becoming one, and I don't think they would allow their consumers to lose such a large feature without expecting some kind of uproar. So I expect that's going to be coming through. Now, we have a very high profile, multi-billion-dollar client based in Australia, whom I cannot mention, who decked out a number of meeting rooms with Google Meet and Google hardware. Now, Google make excellent hardware that you can put in a meeting room, and in that meeting room, you can click a button, automatically join a meeting, and of course, you've got shared calendars which have scheduled all the meetings in the meeting rooms, and that Google Hangouts, it used to be called Google Hangouts Meet. I think it's just called Google Meet hardware now. That hardware gives you a full conference room experience using Google Meet. And this particular high-profile client and high-profile user of Google Workspace relied on the ability to call because they needed to call multiple global offices, and they needed them to be able to actually ring in different offices. Or if someone had not joined the meeting, if they'd forgotten to join the meeting, they wanted to type in that person's name and have their phone ring so that person could actually be belled to then click one button and jump into the meeting. And it was that feature was a contributing factor to that multi-billion-dollar company removing literally hundreds of meeting devices and switching over to Zoom rooms instead. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And if you need more help with your Google Workspace account, there's 4 ways that we can help. Number 1, join our free community group where others in the community help support each other with their Google Workspace accounts. And I'm in there from time to time answering questions as well. Number 2, take advantage of our free transfer in offer to get a bunch of additional value for your Workspace account just for transferring your billing over to itGenius. Number 3, you can take advantage of a free consultation if you qualify, or an IT systems check and audit for everything technology in your business. And number 4, if you need help right now, you can either join our concierge program or book a one-time fix-it service to get support from our professional support team for everything Workspace and the Google ecosystem. See you in the next one.